Hey everyone, start of a new project. We are going to be smoothing out these previously painted popcorn ceilings. We're not going to be stripping it off, it's already previously painted, it's so thick. So we're just going to be putting 2 nice coats of compound over top of this, as well as reinforcing some of these cracks that you see along the ceilings. We're going to be focusing solely on the ceilings and crown molding in this room, ceilings and crown molding in that room. We are going to be focusing on just the ceiling in this room. Previously, wallpaper was removed from these walls, so we're going to be oil priming the entire surface to seal in, bind any glue, any little bits of paper that might still be there. And then we're going to skim coat the entire surface to make it nice and smooth, as well as we're going to be doing some extensive repairs along the ceiling, reinforcing the pot light and fixing all of these cracks that we see along this ceiling. So this is a nice extensive repair job. Can't wait to see the finished product. Okay, we have finished up the job. We've got the stucco ceilings nice and smooth. Hallway ceiling is painted. We got this ceiling all nice and smooth. We've got the ceilings in the upstairs hallway that were cracked and peeling. We've got them all reinforced and nice and smooth. Nice coat of paint over top of it. We got the hallway walls with the extensive repairs due to the wallpaper damage is all repaired and looking beautiful. Only thing left to do is a final mop and we are done. If you're in the Durham region and you're looking for a free quote, click the link to use our easy to use online scheduler.